forget everything you think you know about minivans. Because the 2026 Toyota Sienna isn't just a family hauler, it's a rolling sanctuary, a tech lounge, and a comfort zone on wheels. Toyota hasn't just updated the Sienna, they've completely reimagined what a family vehicle can be. Whether you're chauffeuring kids to school, packing for a weekend road trip, or enjoying a solo drive after a long day, this van makes life feel effortless. So let's talk about what's under the hood. Every 2026 Sienna comes standard with Toyota's proven hybrid Tupa 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with electric motors. Combined, you get 245 horsepower. Not exactly race car numbers, but here's the real win. 36 miles per gallon. Combined, that's right, 36 mpg. Whether you go front-wheel drive or opt for the available all-wheel drive system, this means fewer gas station stops, more money saved, and smoother everyday driving. For errands, carpools, or cross-country road trips, this hybrid system is all about convenience, efficiency, and peace of mind. But Toyota also knows some buyers want more than just practicality. Enter the Sienna XSE trim. With blacked-out accents, sharp 20-inch wheels, and a sport-tuned suspension, this is the minivan with an edge. From the outside, it almost looks like a sporty SUV. But step inside, and you're reminded of why minivans exist in the first place. Unbeatable space and flexibility that SUVs can't quite match. And here's the kicker: at around $45,000, the Sienna XSE gives you comfort and tech that rival luxury crossovers nearly twice its price. Now, the interior is where the Sienna really shines. Let's start with the second-row captain's chairs. These aren't your average seats, they slide a full 25 inches back. That's stretch-out legroom that rivals business class on a plane. Everywhere you look, there's clever storage. Overhead shelves, a massive bridge-style center console up front that feels modern and functional. And yes, count them, 18 cup holders, enough for every passenger. The parents, and maybe even the family dog. Technology also gets a serious upgrade. Even the base models come with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa built in. Step up a trim or two, and things get even more impressive. A huge 12.3-inch infotainment screen, a head-up display, wireless phone charging, and an available 12-speaker JBL audio system that makes every playlist sound like a live performance. Families will especially appreciate the optional rear seat entertainment system. Translation: kids stay entertained, parents stay sane, and road trips feel shorter. Now let's talk about the driving experience. No, it's not pretending to be a sports car, but it may surprise you. 0 to 60 happens in about 7.5 seconds, plenty quick for merging onto highways with confidence. What really stands out, though, is how comfortable it feels. The ride is smooth, the cabin stays quiet, and the hybrid system even adds regenerative braking for a more controlled stop every time. It's driving made easy. And then there's the cargo space, always a big deal in a family vehicle. The third row folds flat into the floor in just seconds, opening up a huge flat space for luggage or gear. The second row seats don't come out, but they slide forward to unlock up to 101 cubic feet of space. That's enough for a Costco haul, camping gear, or even an entire team's worth of soccer bags. Put all of this together, and here's the big takeaway. The 2026 Toyota Sienna isn't just another minivan. It's Toyota's statement that practice doesn't have to be boring. It's efficient, it's comfortable, it's packed with tech, and it proves that minivans can still be the ultimate family vehicle. Only now, they're cooler than ever.